Hi, my name's Natasha and I wanted to tell you guys about this amazing thing that I found. It's a new shampoo called Hooked by CurlWow. Being a curly girl and braiding my hair, now I colored my hair or doing all these different styles, sometimes it's really hard to not end up with hands full of hair. Having a shampoo that helped to lock my follicles and just keep all the good stuff in there was so key. And that's what this does. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So like a usual shampoo, I'll lather and rinse twice. But sometimes as a curly girl, I'll do updo, so on and so forth, so it'll take me a little longer to wash my hair. And if that's the case, then I'll go the third time, get a really nice lather in it, and make sure that I'm squeaky clean. It's a residue-free, no sulfate formula with root lock technology. Plus, it's 100% clean, containing no conditioning agents whatsoever. After this, I just condition. So guys, this is it. Final product with all of the CurlWow system, and it's so good. Hooked is really that #1 step to create the great foundation to get all of this good stuff. So try it out.